Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to search in Apollo.io so you can find high-quality leads and build a targeted prospecting list in 2026. Let's get into it. First, access the Search tab. The first step is navigating to the lead database where you can filter through millions of professional profiles. From your Apollo dashboard, click on the search icon in the left-hand navigation bar. Choose between people for individual contacts or companies for organizational data, depending on your outreach goals. Apollo's search interface is the source of truth for B2B data. Starting here gives you access to real-time verified emails and direct dials, ensuring that your prospecting starts with the most accurate information available. Next, apply granular filters. Once you're in the search area, you need to narrow down the massive database using specific criteria to find your ideal customer profile, or ICP. Use the Filters sidebar on the left to select criteria such as job title, location, industry, and company headcount. For a more advanced search, use the Buying Intent filter to find companies currently looking for solutions like yours. This is the precision phase. In 2026, simply searching by marketing manager isn't enough. By layering filters like years of experience or technologies used, you ensure that your list only contains leads that are highly relevant to your specific product or service. Lastly, save your search and export leads. Once you're happy with the results, click the Save Search button at the top to receive alerts when new leads match your criteria. Select the leads you want to target, click Save to List, and then select Export if you need the data in a CSV format. Apollo's Saved Search feature acts as an automated lead generator. By saving your parameters, the platform will notify you the moment a new person fits your ICP, allowing you to be the first to reach out and stay ahead of your competition. And that's pretty much it. To search effectively in Apollo.io for 2026, navigate to the Search tab, apply granular filters like job title and buying intent to define your audience, and then save your search to automate your lead discovery. This workflow ensures you always have a fresh pipeline of verified prospects. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.